Okay, so you're wondering why Newton needs to do KYC. Well, let's get real. You're probably thinking, it's just a crypto exchange, right? Why all the red tape? But trust me, there's a good reason for it. You see, KYC, or Know Your Customer, is a regulatory requirement for financial institutions around the world. It's designed to prevent money laundering, terrorist financing, and other illegal activities. And crypto exchanges are no exception. Newton is a regulated financial institution, and as such, we have to comply with KYC regulations. This means that we need to collect and verify certain information about our customers, such as their name, address, date of birth, and identification documents. We also need to monitor our customers' transactions to make sure that they are not engaging in any suspicious activity. If we suspect that a customer is involved in money laundering or other illegal activity, we are required to report it to the authorities. So, why does Newton need to do KYC? Simply put, it's the law. And it's also a way to protect our customers from fraud and other risks. Now, I know that this might be a bit inconvenient for you. But it's important to remember that KYC is for your own safety as well as ours. By complying with KYC regulations, we are helping to make the crypto space a safer place for everyone. So, next time you're wondering why Newton needs to do KYC, just remember that it's all for the greater good. And hey, if you're still not convinced, you can always go somewhere else. There are plenty of other crypto exchanges out there that don't require KYC. But just be sure to do your research before you sign up with any of them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.